Good afternoon, myself Vidula Morankar. I am going to explain a social media analytic tool named as a Quintly. So, before understanding the social media analytic tool, we should understand what is the social media analytics and what is the need of social media analytics. So, we know that on a daily basis there is a lot of amount of data is generated on the social media, and it needs to be managed this data, as this data can be used for the business purpose, decision purpose, and as well as marketing purpose. So analyzing this data, managing this data is nothing but the social media analytics. Now why there is a need of social media analytics? So following are the few points which are explaining the need of social media analytics. First one is the analyze followers. As we all know that the Facebook, Instagram, etc. are the social media channels. In that we have followers and followings. So in business perspective, if we know the our followers, so we can know which are the customers of our interest, and according to that we can manage our business. Next one is the analyze the reach and result of your post. Whatever marketing strategy you have applied, if you know how much it is getting in trending and demanding, then you can work on that easily. Next one is the identify influencers. It is not necessary that influencers should be the famous, but if you know the influencers are nothing but the people which are surfing around you on the social media, so you can increase your circle. Next one is the compare the platform. There are various platforms of the social media: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, etc. So if we know which one is working best for your business, then you can spend the money on one platform and it will give you a more benefit. The next one is the save time. As the social media analytic is giving you the most efficient, which work is the most efficient for you, it saves your time by not working on the inefficient work. Improve your ROI. You by improving ROI, you can easily get to know who are getting converting into the customers. So now talking about the Quintly. Quintly is a tool to track, benchmark, and optimize all of your social media performance. Uh, Taking the example of Facebook analytics, in that it can track your fan metrics, it can track your competitors, as well as it manages your all the pages in your Facebook, and it gives a insight in one site of all your pages. Along with that, it also benchmark your social media performance. So all this about the Quintly definition. Next are the features of Quintly. Following are the features which are provided by Quintly social media analytic tool. First one is the competitor analysis. Gathers and compares social data from competitors to help keep tabs on competition and benchmark progress in the social space. Means it shows all the information of your competitor available on the social media to you, which gives you the new trendings in your business and benchmark the your progress in social sphere. Mean in all the competitors, what is your rank and what you have to work, it gives you that information. Next one is the follower analysis. As the people who are following your business, your work, your company, they are following you, and if you know the information whom are your followers, then you can work on your customers more efficiently. The next one is the content engagement analysis. It tracks how much engagement each piece of content receives to highlight which types of content resonate best with the target audience. It gives your target whatever content you are giving on the social media related your business, related your work, the your target or audience is liking it or not, it makes an analysis on it. It is also known as a sentiment analysis. Next one is the influencer identification. As earlier we have said, influencer are the people who are surrounded by your social media. So we can increase your circle by knowing your influencer. Paid campaigning tracking tracks and measures the success of paid advertising initiatives run on social media sites. On social media sites, whatever advertising marketing strategies you apply, whatever money you apply paid, so it gives the analysis of it, so you can know whether you are wasting your money on the right thing or not. Next one is the attribution. Able to track click paths of users that come to your site via social campaigning and if they convert to customer. So in the attribution where click analysis is done on your ad, how much clicks are there on a daily basis, and according to that you can know which social media users are converting into the customers. Report customizability allows user flexibility into manipulating and digging deeper into the data that is provided through the tool. So it whatever results are generated, you can use that reports for your decision purpose. Report exporting allows user to export the product into various formats such as CSV, .pdf, etc. Now this is one of the example of Quintly tool. So social media benchmark study done on 2015. So following are the results given by Quintly tool. Quintly analyzed over 1,80,000 social media profile of different size using fully in the full year of 2015. This study conducted by Quintly, a social media analytics provider, analyzed over 1,80,000 profiles for Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. So and presented in a clusters of KPIs. Next one is the whatever platform is provided by the Quintly, it gives the following benefits to the user. First one is the internationalization. So it allows the marketer to use platform in different languages and includes ad units on a website from around the world. User role and access management. It grants to select data, feature, object, etc. based on the user role and group. Scalability. Scalability means what? Scalability means you can increase your resources, etc. So using Quintly, you are not only able to manage one account, you can manage your multiple social media accounts. Next one is the performance and reliability. So software is consistently available. So Quintly is available all the time and it responds you quickly, which provides the performance and reliability. API integrations. Application programming interface are nothing but the specification for how application communicates with other software. So it supports a good APIs and integration. This is one of the example of Quintly tool, which shows you the dashboard and gives the social analytics. This is the one of the analytics done on the social media account. This is the result generated by the Quintly tool. Thank you.